Good morning students. Today we will study chapter 4 of unit 1, that is light. It is very interesting chapter and many new facts we will came to know in this chapter. Okay, so what is light? See, when we enter in a dark room, in a very dark room from outside, what will happen? We will not see the things clearly, or you can say the things will not be visible to us. Why the things are not visible to us? Because there is no source of light available on that dark room. Okay, there is no source of light available in the dark room. But as soon as we switch on the light, what happen? We will see that the things start visibling to us. The things start visible to us. Okay, now everything will be clearly seen to you. Why that happen? Because light is a source of energy. Light is a source of energy. Okay, so light is a invisible energy which causes in us sensation of vision. Sensation of vision means जिससे हम लोग देख सकते हैं, चीज़ों को हम देख सकते हैं, known as sensation of vision. Okay, so what is the definition of light? Light is an invisible energy. Invisible energy which causes in us sensation of vision. Okay, so light is an invisible energy which causes in us sensation of vision. Okay, so what are the sources of light? Sources of light we all know. Sources of light, the ultimate source of light is sun. Then we have stars, candle, bulb, CFL, tube light, okay, etc. So all these are the sources of light. Sources of light means what? Those sources in the presence of which we will see the distinct thing clearly. Okay, we will see the different things clearly. Okay, in the presence of that we will see the things clearly. Then that is those substance is known as source of light. Okay, so light is an invisible energy which causes in us sensation of vision. Okay, now what? The speed of light. What is the speed of light? Speed of light. The speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Very important. The speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Okay, that means light is traveling with the speed of 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Very important it is. Understand? So the speed of light is fastest in air. Okay, fastest in air. Okay, and also same in vacuum also. The speed of light is same in vacuum and in air also. Okay, the fastest speed we have 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So light is an invisible energy which causes in us sensation of vision. Source of light we all know, sun, star, candle. The speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Okay, now what? Now we will study some other things. Like luminous object. What is luminous object? Luminous object means the source which emit light by their own. The source which emit light energy. All objects which can emit light energy by themselves are called luminous object. So object which emit light energy light by themselves are called luminous object. Okay, object which emit light by themselves are called luminous object. There are many objects. For example, what? Sun emit light by their own. Sun emit light of their own, so it is a luminous object. Stars emit light of their own, so it is also a luminous object. Okay, candle emit of its own, bulb emit of its own. So all these are the examples of the luminous object. Luminous object means those source which emit light of their own. ओके, दो सोर्स विच एमिट लाइट ऑफ देयर ओन, जो खुद की रोशनी से चीज़ों को, उनकी ही रोशनी से क्या है, हम अलग अलग चीज़ों को क्लियरली देख पाते हैं, तो वो ल्यूमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट हो जाते हैं. अंडरस्टैंड? देन वी विल हैव नॉन ल्यूमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट. What is non-luminous object? Object which do not emit light energy of their own. They do not emit light energy of their own, but they are reflected by the light energy falling on them. Okay, they do not produce light energy of their own, but reflect the light fallen on them. Okay, so this is the non-luminous object. Non-luminous object means the object which do not emit light energy of their own but reflect the light energy falling on them. Okay, so what are these non-luminous objects? These are wait for a while, 1 minute. So yes, now what is non-luminous object? So non-luminous object are those objects which do not emit light energy of their own but reflect the light energy falling on them. For example, we have moon. Moon we will have. Okay, now what? Some other examples if we will consider, then we will have light energy do not emit of their own but reflect the light energy falling on them. We can take few examples also. For example, artificial man-made things like plate and all, they also reflect the light energy falling on them. Okay, so these are the etceteras. Okay, so these are known as non-luminous objects. Okay, so what are that? Moons, plates, okay, vessels, some other objects also which do not but do not have their own light but reflect the light energy falling on them. Okay, so all these are known as non-luminous objects. What are artificial objects? Artificial objects are those objects which are man-made object. The man-made object means which we have developed, which we have made. Okay, are known as artificial object. Artificial source of light can either be of light are man-made, for example candles, lamp, electric light, etc. Okay, now we will see some general definitions of light, some general terms. General term related to light. General term related to light. Okay, in these general term, the term is, first is transparent object. What is transparent object? Transparent medium, sorry, not object, transparent materials, medium, material is written in the book, so we will go with the material. So transparent material. What is transparent material? Transparent material are those material which is those objects by which light energy can pass through it. Okay, it allows the light energy to pass through it, are known as transparent material. Materials which allow light energy to pass through it, okay, is known as transparent medium. Okay, so there are how many materials we have. First one is transparent, second one is translucent, and third one is opaque materials. Okay, these are the three types of materials we will have. So this is transparent material which allows the light energy to pass through it. Okay, so what are these types of material? For example, we will have glass. For example, we will have glass. Okay, glass. Why? Because in glass we will see the things from this side also, from other side also. So that means by which we can see on the other side also is known as clearly. That by which we can see the other side clearly. Okay, then that medium is known as transparent medium or transparent material. Okay, then we will have translucent material. Okay, translucent material, material which allow light energy, to pass through it, but partially. Okay, material which allow light energy to pass through it but partially. That means the we do not have clear vision on the other side. Okay, transparent medium we will have a little bit milky way appearance on the other side. Okay, we do not have a clear vision. In transparent medium we can see the other sides of the road. If we are moving in a car, suppose we are moving in a car and we will have a glass on the door, what happens? We will see the other sides of the road also very clearly. Okay, so that is transparent medium. But translucent medium is those type of glass by which we do not see clearly the other thing. We are seeing the things are visible to us but not very clearly. It is a milky way, that means dhundla sa dikhna, clear nahi dikh raha. So translucent medium. Okay, then we will have opaque medium, opaque material. Opaque, that means we do not see the other object, we will not able to see the other things. Okay, we will not able to see the other things. Opaque material. What is opaque material? Which not allow light to pass through it. Is known as opaque material. Opaque material which do not allow the light energy to pass through it. Okay, suppose what? For example, we will have wood, bricks. Okay, wood, bricks. We can say some more example if we will take. Then what we will take? A dark sheet. dark sheet. Okay, so all these are the examples of the opaque material. That means what we will, if we will have a brick, we will not, brick means ईटे की बनी दीवार है, तो हम इधर से देखें तो दूसरी तरफ की चीजें नहीं दिखती, हमें एकदम कुछ भी नहीं दिखता. वाई? बिकॉज इट डू नॉट अलाउ द लाइट एनर्जी टू पास थ्रू इट. ओके, वुड, लकड़ी से कुछ बना हुआ है, हम इधर से उधर देखें हमें नहीं दिखाई देगा. क्यों? क्योंकि it do not allow the light energy to pass through it. So what happens, these are the opaque material. Why? Because they do not allow the light energy to pass through it. So this type of material is known as opaque material. So we have studied about three types of material. Transparent, which will clearly, in transparent material what happens, the vision is very clear, we can see the other side very clearly. Okay, very clearly we can see, it allow the whole light energy to pass through it. Second, we have studied about translucent. What is translucent? It allow partially the light energy to pass through it. Partially light energy. Okay, partial light energy to pass through it. That means what happens? The vision is not so clear. Okay, the vision is not so clear. Okay, that is why it is known as translucent. A Milky Way थोड़ा सा धुंधला दिखना इसमें होता है. Then we will have opaque material. In opaque, what happens? The things will not able to see. It do not allow the light energy to pass through it. Okay, दिखेगा ही नहीं. Simple. So these are the terms we have studied here. Other terms we will study in our next video. Okay, thank you.